Hello everyone, this is lesson 25 for second grade. So, looks like for this lesson we are comparing measurements of different items. So, let's see. Okay, so for the first question, we have this pencil and a paper clip. And we have their measurements here. So we see centimeters. And for the pencil, it goes up to 6 centimeters. And for the paper clip, it goes up to around 3 centimeters. And they're asking how much longer is the pencil than the paper clip. So the pencil's length is 6 and the paper clip's length is 3. So all we have to do is subtract 6 minus 3, which is 3. So that means the pencil is 3 centimeters. You have to make sure to think about the measurements. So this top measurement side of the ruler is the inches, and this bottom side is the centimeters. So we just measured the pencil in centimeters. So that means the pencil is 3 centimeters longer than the paper clip. Okay, measure to determine how much longer one line is than the other one. So this time they're being measured in inches. So the top line is 3 inches long and the bottom line is 2 inches long. So top line is 3 inches, bottom line is 2 inches. So we subtract them and we get 1. So that means the top line is 1 inch longer than the bottom line. Okay, using the blocks below, measure the objects and determine how much longer one object is than the other. Okay, so 1 block equals 1 inch. So let's think of each block as an inch. So this flashlight looking, I think it's a flashlight. It's 1, 2, 3 blocks long, so it's 3 inches long. That means, and then for this snake, I think, it's around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blocks long, so 6 inches long. So the snake is longer than the flashlight, and so the snake is 6 inches and the flashlight is 3 inches. So 6 minus 3 is 3, so that means the snake is 3 inches longer than the flashlight, which means our answer is A. Okay, next, measure to determine how much longer one line is than the other one. So this time we're measuring in centimeters again. So the top line, it goes up to 9 centimeters, and then the bottom line goes up to 4. So 9 minus 4 is 5 centimeters. So that means the top line is 5 centimeters longer than the bottom line. Okay, measure to determine how much longer the pencil is than the piece of chain. So we're measuring centimeters. So the pencil goes up to 6 centimeters and the chain goes up to 5. So 6 minus 5 equals 1. So the pencil is 1 centimeter longer than the chain. Okay, next, using the building blocks below, measure the objects and determine how much longer one object is than the other. So this time, our 1 block equals 1 foot. So let's look at this trumpet, I think. It's a weirdly drawn one, but so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and stops right here. So that means the trumpet is 4 feet long. That's a long trumpet. Maybe it's not a trumpet, but doesn't matter. Okay, so this baseball bat goes up to here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks. So that means the baseball bat is 5 feet long. So 5 feet minus 4 feet equals 1 foot. So that means the baseball bat is 1 foot longer than the trumpet. So our answer is D. Okay, measure to determine how much longer one line is than the other one. So looks like centimeters. It's being measured in centimeters. And this longer line is 17 centimeters long, while the shorter line is 8 centimeters long. So 17 minus 8. Let's borrow from the tens place, and then 7 becomes 17. I mean, it kind of defeats the purpose, but well, either way, 17 minus 8 is 9. There was no reason to really do that. We could have just looked at it as 17 minus 8. Okay, but 17 minus 8 is 9, so that means the longer line is 9 centimeters longer than the shorter line. Okay, these are basically the same, so let's just skip down to the last question. And you can solve the others doing the same thing we've been doing. Okay, so the last question, using the blocks below, measure the objects and determine how much longer one object is than the other. So 1 block equals 1 foot. So this bicycle is 4 feet long, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 feet. And this motorcycle goes up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks. So that means it's 5 feet long. So the motorcycle, 5 feet minus the bicycle, 4 feet is 1. So the motorcycle is 1 foot longer than the bicycle. And that's it. Thank you for watching.